In this video I will show you how to make cinematic titles in Filmora 14.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements in Vado. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
Drop your footage to the timeline. Click on Titles and find the default title. Go right-click and go to Advanced Edit. Set the font to Roboto Light. Set the scale 42. And set this vol to 13. Click on the animation and set it to random 2 to make it look more cinematic. Here in this part type what you want for the title and I'm trying to find the animations and I'm styling everything to look cool. And you can see the first cinematic title is finished. Set the new default title to 1.15 seconds. Type what you want to say on the title and set the same cinematic font. Now copy the same advanced edit settings as the first title. Click on Animation and set the Fade 1 animation. In this part I'm trying to find the animation. Go to Effects and click on Search, type Cinema 21:9 and set it to the timeline. It looks more cinematic. Make sure to put the titles in the center and set it the way you want. Now go to stock media and click on solid color and add the white color. Copy my scale settings. This part is tricky, but if you follow my steps how I put it together you will be fine. Click on Transitions and find the call split transition and set it first. For the last part go to Transitions and set the call merge transition as last. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.